To read palms, first locate the heart line, which is located at the top of the hand in the center of the palm. It's the closest line to the bottom of the fingers. If the heart line starts under the index finger, that means the person is content with their relationships. If it starts under the middle finger, they may struggle with interpersonal relationships. Under the heart line is the head line. If it's straight, the person is more traditional, but if it's wavy, they may be a little more progressive. Next, find the lifeline, which is the line under the headline that starts at the thumb and angles down toward the wrist. This line represents the person's journey through life. A long lifeline means that their life will be filled with exciting, rich experiences, while a short lifeline means that they'll experience independence and comfort throughout their life. If their lifeline is straight, their experiences will make them cautious and nervous. If it's curvy, their life will be eventful and full of vigor. Next to the lifeline, in the center of the palm, is the fate line. The fate line shows how dramatically a person's life will be influenced by things that are out of their control. A thin, perfectly vertical fate line means that the person is totally in control over what happens in their life. Any broken or scarred lines could be a sign of past trauma and pain.